In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple cardboard box into a number plate for your BMX bike. So I started doing this method about last year when I got really into the Dukes of Hazzard, and I wanted to make a number plate for my bike with the General Lee's number on it. As you can see right here, 01. And also right here a little bit on the horn. So anyway, what you want to do, you want to start with tracing out the outline of the bars, which I did last year, and this is just my template. Well, actually this is my template. I actually retraced it onto here. Because these bars are a little bit different than the ones I had last year. So, yeah. If you guys if you see how it, kind of lines up, it makes more sense. But, so we go from that, we cut it out, now we got this. And so it doesn't actually go like this though, it goes when we're like this. I mean, I guess you probably could put it like this, but I don't know, I like to put it here. I don't even know why. Throughout the process of doing this, I will be making a video so I can show you how to do it. And pretty much I'm gonna do it a lot better this time, because last time I just used a piece of paper covering the cardboard, and I didn't even cover the back of the cardboard, so I will be doing that this time. But I'm gonna use Mountain Dew logos probably, because I like Mountain Dew as well as the General Lee. So yeah, that's one of the things I'm going to be working on. I'm gonna put a Mountain Dew logo on the back. So that is all I have for now, and whenever I get the next step, I will put it in this video. And then you should lay it out flat on a piece of paper, just like this, and then tape it down right here and right here at least. Then once it's taped down, you want to fold it just like that, where it is covered on the front and you still have your outline. And then you will want to add some clear vinyl wrap, but first, because I'm using a piece of paper as my number, I'm going to have to tape that down first to make sure to vinyl wrap over that, and then I will be able to color out the rest of the plate. Alrighty, so then you use a hole punch or something to make holes here, 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 and here, and then you use zip ties, and then cut the zip ties and put them on the back, and now we're all good. And that is how you make a number plate for your BMX bike. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Goodbye.